Divas, I have a fairly new Diamond Art Club kit for you that I recently picked up. This one was called Always Us. The designer is Mandie Manzano, as you can see by her style, as you will be able to tell when I open it up. Now each box comes with plastic coating. You know, some of those delivery drivers leave them out in the rain, so I am so glad that they come in that plastic. This is a round diamond kit. You'll see on the side of every diamond kit that you get, it has a Scan Me code for 10% off of your next Diamond Art Club order. On the back are all the instructions you need. So if you'd like 15% off your very first order from Diamond Art Club, check the links below. I have a affiliate link for you. All right, now let me show you what's inside. And get the kit out of the other end. Okay. All right, I want to show you up close and personal what this one will look like. It looks like a like an earth in the bottom with some plants coming up from it. I don't have that many Mandie Manzanos, but this one looks really intriguing. I love the colors in this. Yes, they are darker colors, but they are vivid, so they look different than what you see in the sticker. A little bit different. Okay. Ooh. What kind of goodies are in the toolkit today? Let's see. What color did I get? I got a green squishy and pen, the hearts of wax, the clear boat with the stopper on the end, a bag o' baggies, a 5 and a 7 placer, the multi-placers that you might need. There's a lot of baggies in here. Goodness. Alright. This is the cover minder I got, the half macaroon. That's the way you pinch the plastic back while you're working on it. And I've got a stripy washi tape. That's pretty. Now let's take a look at the kit, the actual canvas. Alright, we have the soft canvas. We have the pinked and poked edge, as I call it. Ooh, isn't this pretty? I'm going to roll it up backwards so that it lies flat for you. Okay. It is a smallish kit, which we'd really love these smallish kits sometimes. On the bottom you will see a thumbnail. You will see the DAC inventory number and the name, Always Us, the licensed artist, Mandie Manzano, and the dimensions. If you're talking in inches, it's 12.6 by 19.7 inches, which is 32 centimeters by 50 centimeters. 32 by 50 is a nice size kit. There are 32 colors in this. You can get this done in a week, a couple of evenings, can't you? Let's see. It's long, tall, and thin. I like that. You see at the bottom, you see the earth with the roots of the tree coming down around it. And the tree has these big pink cotton candy type leaf systems up here. Roots and branches. Beautiful. Look at all the colors around it, too. Wow. I'm just going to peel this back a little bit. Very, very sticky. Cool beans. The bottom, you also see their social media information, and you have the warranty that if anything goes wrong with the drills or the canvas, that they will make it right for you. This is their thank you brochure. They also have tips and tricks and QR codes so that you could join the Diamond Art Club community in many different ways. And another thank you 10 code on the bottom. Sometimes you get a thank you on the, let's see, yep, you get another thank you 10 on the bottom of each canvas. Over 300 unique designs at diamondartclub.com. Use the code TAKE10 for 10% off of your next order. Okay, that's always on the bottom. And when you get the boxes, the shipping packing sheet always has another code, maybe buy one get one 50% off, or another 10% off or 15% off. It all depends. So look on that packing slip that you get with your goodies. All right, in each you get a sticker for your logbook. You also get individually cut stickers that have the sequence code, the symbol number to match it, and the color number, the DMC color code number on this end. And it's all the information that you need to know in it. Now, let's take a look at the drills. Diamond Art Club uses resin drills, not acrylic drills. They have their own factory, especially for the square drills. So I'm going to telephoto you in a little bit so you can see the colors up close and personal. I'm going to try to show you the color numbers as well, although some packets don't lend themselves to that well. I know you're waiting to see if there's any ABs, any Aurora Borealis or special drills in here. Well, we will find out together. I know you can look on the legend to see if there are any numbers on there. I'll show you how to check for them in a second after we get through all the colors. Very pretty. Did you see any ABs yet? Colors are beautiful. I love earth tones. Ooh, there's a purple in here too, and a pink. That's a little beyond earth tones, huh? Oh, I see our first AB. It's a green AB. ABs are Aurora Borealis. They shine, a coating on it that shines a little bit different. It reflects some of the light around it, and a little bit of a white AB in here. Okay. So we have two ABs to look for. Where are we putting them? So let me cut them off of the train here so we can keep a look on that. I'll be back in a second after I wrap all this up. Okay, what I like to do when I wrap up my drills is put the picture in with it, the sticker picture in with it. And all their packs of drills come with a tag on it to remind you as to which kit it belongs to. Alright, now let me pull you out a bit, and let's go find where we're going to put our Aurora Borealis drills. We have two of them, and the way you find that out is if you look at the sequence chart, any number for Diamond Art Club that is below the number 150 are your Aurora Borealis drills. Any special drills will be at the very bottom, but and they'll come with a letter in front of it. So these are 134 and 141. Now, they're also marked with the number 1 and the number 2. So it's easy to look for in here. So I already see the number 2 in here, in the trees, spots here and there, and in the background spots. So it brings your eye completely around the kit. You've got some at the bottom, you've got some in the middle, You've got some in the tree, and you've got a couple in the top, very top of it as well. Diamond Art Club does a fantastic job taking their the focus all the way around the canvas, not just at one particular spot. That is the white dots. Now, the number 2s, the green, well, we'll look where the green is. Yep, I see. Let me double check. That's the number 1. I see the number 1s in here and in here, at the bottom of the earth here, and in the middle. So I have all over the earth, I have the number 1s. And that's the green. The number 2s are what's flying out here and in the middle here. Yep. So this will be a quick one and a pretty one. And this should be easy to find a frame for as well. So this would be wonderful to do on an Earth Day challenge. Something that has something to do with the earth and environments or plants. Even space. It's got a space theme to it too. And it's got her traditional stained glass look to it. The way she divides it up with the black lines in it. Really cool. Keeps your eye moving around the canvas very nicely. So this was Always Us by Mandie Manzano. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more, including Diamond Art Club sneak peeks at the beginning of each month, I have a sneak peek for you. A sneak peek is a special look at a kit that is not yet for sale, that will be for sale within the next day or two of it coming out. I usually get one toward the beginning of each month. And if you'd like to join the rest of the Workbasket community on Tuesday nights, 10 p.m. for our live session, I always let you know ahead of time if I'm getting a sneak peek for that weekend and other fun things that are coming out, and I get to know you games, that kind of thing. So we'd love to have you on a Tuesday night, and I'll say goodbye for now, but thank you for coming along. Thank you for being here with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye, Divas.